beauty of a gemstone and wondered, how does nature create such splendor? Or perhaps, have you pondered how human ingenuity can replicate this process? Well, today we delve into the fascinating world of gemstone making, a perfect blend of science, artistry, and patience. Gemstone making, or gem cutting, is an ancient craft that transforms rough mineral specimens into sparkling jewels. The process begins with the all-important step of sourcing the raw materials. Miners extract rough gemstones from the earth in various parts of the world, from the sapphire mines of Madagascar to the emerald-rich regions of Colombia. Once the rough gemstones are extracted, they undergo a thorough inspection. This step, known as grading, involves assessing the gem's color, clarity, size, and potential value. It demands a keen eye and years of expertise as it determines the best way to cut and polish the stone to maximize its beauty and value. Following the grading process, the gemstone enters the preforming phase. Here, a skilled gem cutter, also known as a lapidary, trims the rough stone to a general shape using a diamond saw. This step removes any excess material and begins to reveal the gemstone's potential. The stone then transitions to the cutting stage. Using a machine called a faceting machine, the lapidary cuts small flat surfaces known as facets onto the gemstone. Each facet must be cut at precise angles to ensure the stone reflects light beautifully. This step is both a science and an art, requiring a deep understanding of light and geometry, along with a delicate touch. Once the facets are cut, the gemstone undergoes polishing. This final step enhances the stone's luster, making it shine with a brilliance that captivates the eye. The lapidary uses a polishing wheel coated with a fine abrasive to achieve this mirror-like finish. And voila! A rough stone transforms into a sparkling gem, ready to be set in a piece of jewelry or displayed in a museum. The entire process can take anywhere from several hours to several weeks, depending on the size and complexity of the gemstone. So, to recap, gemstone making is a meticulous process that involves sourcing the rough gemstones, grading them, preforming to give them a basic shape, cutting facets for light reflection, and finally, polishing to enhance the gem's luster. It is a craft that requires skill, patience, and a deep appreciation for nature's gifts. This journey from a rough stone to a dazzling gemstone is a testament to the incredible beauty that lies within the heart of our earth and the remarkable skill of those who dedicate their lives to revealing it. As we marvel at the next sparkling gem we encounter, let's remember the journey it has undertaken to captivate us with its beauty.